20-minute time limit. Introducing first, making their way to the ring at a total combined weight of 415 pounds, they hail from Cleveland, America. The team of James Dean and Kano Josh Emmanuel, the Sons of Strong Style.
Change the way your face up look. Can't see me, you went too shook. Another win is what I took. Never was given, I always took it. Got a few keys and they always book it. Y'all put the real part in, y'all just look it. My face fine and y'all just cook it. Cute, steady. Heavyweight championship, thought we had it. We had rumble, then you folded. You had crumble, then you know it. It is just your fault, you don't be training and stuff. But we, on the other hand, we make it raining and stuff. You know that we straining and stuff. And after the show, we training while she braining and stuff. Because we copy your own medals. We're at the top of your stage trying to battle. Taking my shoes around myself. To the game like on NCO.
Their opponents, making their way to the ring at a total combined weight of 333 pounds, the team of G. Raver and Gory Generation Dead.
fans, this is an eerie, ominous beginning to the second half of action here at the 13th Crawford County Fair.
Here at a fair amount of insanity, we've got a tag team match. The Sons of Strong Style are taking on Generation Dead. Gory in the ring now with Kano.
Yes, he is. I'll tell you, there's still blood dripping out of the mouth of Gory. I don't even know what to make of it.
Very interesting looking group. The tag team of Generation Dead, Gory and G Raver. Gory in the ring now with Kano. Working some chin. Looks like Gory is biting the hand of Kano right now.
Oh my God.
Insane.
We were told to expect anything, and they've already delivered.
Jay Ice now has been tagged in for the Sons of Strong Style. G Raver coming in for Generation Dead. Looks like Jay Ice might want to turn around. G Raver literally frightened Jay Ice back into his own clutch.
And I don't blame Jay Ice. G Raver does not seem to have actual eyes.
Just something's going on there. Huge drop kick by G Raver. Another huge drop kick into the corner. G Raver to Jay Ice, and Jay Ice gets away to tag in Kano. And the tag was also made. Gory stepping into the ring now.
More like slinking into the ring. Tremendous agility.
Another kick by G Raver. Interesting combat style by a tag team of Generation Dead. Very unique way of wrestling and just scaring their opponents.
Jay Ice does not know what to make of these two men.
I don't know what to make of these two men.
Strong right forearms.
Some chops coming back to the stomach of another forearm by Jay Ice. They're just trading forearms now. And another bite. G Raver this time. Looks like we have the Sons of Strong Style and the Sons of Bite Style out. Huge enziguri by Jay Ice to the back of the skull of G Raver, and he somehow makes a tag into Gory.
Gory, very methodical.
Very slow-paced match here with some bursts of insanity. Test of strength here between Kano and Gory. Kano just backs away into the corner.
It's almost like Gory is stalking Kano.
And the fans are picking up on the fear of Kano in the ring right now, calling him out. He's having nothing of it. It's almost like the fans here love to see the fear that Generation Dead can strike into the Sons of Strong Style. And they're really getting behind Generation Dead right now. Huge knee by Jay Ice. Brutal kick.
That kick moving a foot across the ring just from the impact.
Jay Ice on. G Raver now. He's choking him on the ropes. Referee Jake Clemens backs him up. Tag is made. Kano in the ring now. Double kick to the back of the head. G Raver by Kano and Jay Ice, the Sons of Strong Style. They're starting to take control of this match now. A lot of kick style fighting going on right now with the Sons of Strong Style.
G Raver taking the brunt of the punishment. Spun him around.
G Raver was trying to reverse that one.
What a right
Right
forearm.
into a forearm. by Kano.
He blocked it. Oh, now he got him. Oh, doesn't look good. Oh, G-Raver.
A devastating maneuver there by the Sons of Strong Style. We're starting to see what these guys are made of now. They have a unique style, a lot of teamwork here with the Sons of Strong Style. Very interesting to see how Generation Dead responds.
They're working fluently.
Chant now for the Generation Dead. Huge boot by Jay Ice.
I'm telling you, going for the pin, nonchalant. I'm surprised G-Raver was able to kick out of the previous pinning situation. That double slam there, just punishing him.
Starting to show some confidence now as compared to earlier. They're at least frightened into their own corners by Generation Dead. Now they're showing a lot of control in this match and showing why they are the Sons of Strong Style with, again, more unique tag team maneuvers.
That's tag team wrestling.
Kano taunting Gory.
Jake is trying to back Gory into his corner right now. Shot to the back of the head. Kano on the G-Raver. So grabbing him by the ear, just taunting him now. Huge forearm. Blood-curdling scream of Kano as he goes in. A huge kick to the skull of G-Raver, who's down now. And it looks like G-Raver could use a huge tag to his partner Gory in the corner.
He definitely needs to tag it, though. There's not much left. There can't be.
On cue, the crowd starts to cheer for that tag. They want to see Gory get in there and pick up some momentum for the Generation Dead tag team. And that might be the opening they're looking for right there. A huge reversal, double drop kick by G-Raver sends both Jay Ice and Kano to the mat.
Crawling to the corner. Can he get
Gory is
there?
getting the crowd going right now. Can he make the tag? And he does. Gory in now. Off the top rope. Huge body splash to both members of Strong Style.
Double axe handle chop. Look at that. 4 in a row. Gory's taking control.
Whips in a gigantic clothesline into the corner. G-Raver out of the top rope. What a move from the top rope, G-Raver. Taking out both members of Team Strong Style. Gory now to the outside. Caught by G-Raver, and had his head just smashed into the canvas on the outside.
He bounced off all the way to the hard area of the floor there. Oh my.
G-Raver's going up top again. Let's see if it pays off for him like it did last time. Oh, and he got caught by a clothesline. It looked like Jay Ice just maybe had something in his hand. He threw out of the ring. Oh, and a devastating
maneuver,
kick
but
to the
Jay Ice
skull.
did have something in his hand.
The pin. The Sons of Strong Style seemingly steal one from Generation Dead here at Fairmount of Insanity 13.
These fans are not too happy.
Kano, Josh, Emmanuel, James Dean, the Sons of Strong Style.
I think they stole that one. I didn't see clearly, but it looked like Jay Ice might have had something in his hand. And we caught G-Raver with it. He came down to the top rope.
Change the way your face a look. Can't see me, you went too shook. Another win is what I took. Nothing was given, I always took it. A few keys and they always book it. Y'all play real part and y'all just look it. My face fine and y'all just cook it. Cute today, cute stay. Heavyweight champion, but we had it. We had rumble, then you folded. You had crumble, then you know it. It is just your fault, you don't be training this stuff. But we, on the other hand, we make it rain in this stuff. And they
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Gory and G-Raver